Hi all, welcome to TB Tech. Today we are going to see how to create private or public database link in Oracle database. Okay, suppose I have a database. I have a database A. I have database B. Here I have one user Scott. Okay, under that I have some tables. Okay, suppose from A database. Okay, from A database I have one user HR. Okay, this user want to connect to this database. Okay, and want to get the information about the Scott tables, or want to fetch some information from the Scott user which is there in the Scott schema. Okay, so here we can create the db link. Okay, so in A database we can create the database link. So we have two types of database link, public and private. So if you create the public database link in A database, all the users can access that database link. If it is a private, only that particular user can access the database link. So here, before creating the database link, here listener should run. Here we should have the TNS entry. Okay, so I have two databases. This is one database. Select name from v dollar database. I have a database aprod, and I have another database. Select name from v dollar database. I have a database bprod. Okay, so I want to create here, already listener is running psfnaf grep tns. Here listener is already running lsn or ctl status. You can refer to my listener and tns entries video if you have any doubts with the tns and listeners. Okay, so coming to the aprod ps, I have a tns entry ls-ltr. In my Oracle Home Network Admin, I have a tns entry, tns thing bprod. Okay, so this back and white screen is A database, that green screen is B database. Okay, so now I want to create the database link. Okay, db link from A to B. Okay, SQL plus sysdba. Okay, so select name from v dollar database. Okay, so before creating, let me verify what are all the db links we have in the database. We have only by default one database link which is under sys, which we can call it as a private database link. No other database links are present. And coming to here, I have a user connect Scott and Tiger. I have few tables under the Scott. Okay, this is my B database. So I need this username and password to create the database link. Okay, let me create the private database link first. Okay, under HR user. So before creating the database link for under the HR user, okay, so HR should have the create database link privilege. So let me grant. Okay, and connect to HR, and the password is I have kept it as welcome. Okay, now create the database link. Create database link. Okay, this is the database link name, Scott bprod underscore private, and as a Scott user I want to connect to this database, and the password is Tiger, and TNS entry which is already there in TNS names.aura bprod. Okay, so here logically how we are connecting, this is my A database, this is my B database. Okay, from A to B I'm going to connecting using db link. So I'm creating the db link in A. under HR user. Okay, so for DB link, we need Scott and the password tiger of the B database. Okay, and I have the TNS entry also. That is the command we have using here. Okay, so let me create in a database. Show user, I'm in HR user. Let me create the database link. Link got created. Okay, now connect as and verify. How to verify whether the DB link is working or not? Select star from tab at the rate or ul at the rate DB link name. Okay, just give that. If you get X, that means your DB link is working perfectly. And I'm already under the HR user. So if I use this DB link, yes, I will get the X user. Okay, if I connect as a sys user, suppose other than HR, if I use the same select star from UL at the rate this one, descripted remote database is not found. Why? Because if you verify select star from DBA underscore DB underscore links, okay, this DB link is under HR user. So only HR user can use this DB link. No other user can access this DB link. Why? Because this is the private DB link, which is under HR user. Okay, only HR user can access the DB link. If I want to create the public DB link, yes, I can create the public DB link. This is the public DB link. Create public database link, Scott, and this is the DB link name. And I want to connect as a Scott user and the password is tiger and remote database TNS entry is bprod. Okay, if I create, now verify DB underscore link. Yes, it is public. So if I do select star from UL at the rate public, yes, I could able to access that. As a HR user also, this DB link will work. Let me connect HR and the password is welcome. Now verify. Under any user, this public DB link is going to work perfectly. X. That means your DB link is working perfectly. This is how you can create the public and private database links. Before creating, we required a TNS and listeners. For that, we have already uploaded one of the video for how to create listener and TNS entries. You can refer to that video in the comment section. Thank you.